guys, how are you? My name is Amit. I'm the founder of Kamcrest, and today we wanted to go through a small business IT setup with you. So over here, this is a typical scenario of how we set up an office. Typically in an office, we have a unified network. Over here, you see the cloud controller. This is essentially the machine that controls all your network devices. And then we have the router, and if you come over here, check in that back corner, you'll see all our Ethernet wiring coming and going into the PoE switch. And then this network basically has two internets. The client wants redundancy, so just in case if one internet goes down, they have a live backup. So this system essentially is a dual WAN system. It manages two internets. The client also has a NAS installed, so all their users essentially log in and kind of manage all their data on here, and all the network backups, the shared drives, everything is kind of residing here. And then this also off-site backups to another Synology drive. But typically this is a small business environment. You have your network, you have your internet service, and your NAS. In this office, this currently has 5 access points set up, and each access point is broadcasting both in 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. So essentially there's one company name, and all devices, any bands can essentially connect to it. And all these access points are powered straight back to the switch, power over Ethernet. And also there is a all-in-one network printer, which allows for network scan functionality and scan to email functionality, and then obviously network printing functionality. For PC setups, we offer both Mac and Windows environments based off the client's requirements. We offer laptop solutions, all-in-one PC solutions, and many other custom desktop solutions. As you can see here, for this office, we set up Macs. All client PCs are set up with remote and cloud access, company security policies, required softwares, and any other specific user needs. We have remote access to all of our client PC infrastructure and can offer help desk support virtually or on-site as needed. Our help desk allows employees to reach out directly to Kamcrest, keeping them self-sufficient with all of their IT support needs. For all our small business office setups, we include a UPS. A UPS is a battery backup solution which allows all the servers and network hardware to properly shut down in a power loss situation. This ensures no further data loss or electrical damage occurs. We highly recommend all our small business clients to get a UPS put in place in order to ensure that you don't lose your IT infrastructure on something like a power failure. So this is a conference room we set up. The way we kind of organize this for the customer is we have a big 65-inch TV on the wall here, and behind this TV there is a Mac Mini setup that's connected to this. So essentially it's like a desktop on the computer itself. We have a little camera up top, so when they want to do video conferencing on this desktop, they can kind of have a proper meeting, and this is angled to get the entire table shot. And then we also have a Sonos soundbar underneath, so basically all the audio for the TV comes out the soundbar, and then if they want to just sit in the room and just have general music, or they're working or something and they want to put some background music, they have the ability to use it through the Sonos app. And this room itself has a access point in it, so this way wireless signal is the best here. And then you also have a conference room phone here. This is essentially a conference room table phone which has mics on each end. So when you have a conference situation here, audio is being captured properly. And then also to control kind of everything from an AV standpoint, we also have a Logitech Harmony, and we also have an Apple TV here so we can stream. So essentially we have your Apple TV input. We can use the iMac, a Mac Mini that's behind the computer, and then we also have an HDMI plug-in on the bottom, so if somebody wants to plug in their laptop. So this is a conference room setup. Hey guys, this is a quick demonstration of the voice over IP system that we typically install in small offices. Basically, this is a standard voice over IP phone made by Polycom. This client essentially has a Vonage business account where they have, I believe, 7 extensions set up. They have a main number. You call into the main number. They have something called a virtual assistant. This is basically the virtual receptionist that kind of has the ongoing message of thank you for calling the company name, etc., etc. Press 1 for extensions. They have all their extensions kind of lined up that forward to each necessary extension. And then on the phone itself, as you can see, all the user extensions are set up. So any person at each one of their desks has a phone, and they can essentially press the other person's name and have an intercom conversation. This phone itself is extension 412. It has its own inbox. You can access the voicemail by calling into the system, or Vonage Business also has an app that all the users can log into, and basically they can access their voicemail, call like they're calling from their office extension, and it also sends you an email with an audio recorded file of the voicemail. And pretty much from an installation standpoint, it's very simple. These phones essentially just have Ethernet built right in. It's PoE, so the phone gets the power from the switch, and really that's it. It goes through the internet and connects to the Vonage cloud. If you have, like a computer set up here, you can also get internet connection for the computer through this. It's like a little switch built in, and pretty much installation wise, it's just a matter of setting these up. That's it. The majority of our customers are either using Google Apps or Office 365. We set up these cloud services for our clients where we have administration rights, so we can assist in managing all of the individual cloud services for them. All of the Kamcrest help desk technicians are trained in both platforms. Our customers usually use these cloud services for email, document sharing, CRM, video conferencing, and specific software is required for their business needs.